Hello, students. Let's continue the story from the point where we left in the previous class. We had reached to the point that William Douglas tested his swimming skills at Lake Wentworth. He swam alone for miles and reached the Stempeck Island. When he was in the middle of the lake, the terror returned, but now he was confident about his swimming skills, so he could frown at the terror. He could frown at the fear. At that point, we can see that he was personifying the terror, the fear, as if it was a man. And he searched for him. पानी के अंदर उसने झांक करके देखा भी. What was there who could scare him? But there was no one, and he kept on swimming. It shows that he had gathered so much confidence that now he didn't need to be scared. Let's continue from the same point. This is the point where we have to start today. Yet I had residual doubts. At my first opportunity, I hurried west. वो जल्दी से वेस्ट की तरफ चला गया जैसे ही उसको अवसर मिला, अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली. वेंट अप द टीटन कोनार्ड मिडोज. टीटन टू कोनार्ड मिडोज एक जगह है. मिडोज मीन्स पहाड़ियों पे घास वगैरह उगी हुई है, किसी एक ऐसी जगह पर वो गया. अप द कोनार्ड क्रीक ट्रेल. कोनार्ड क्रीक ट्रेल घाटी के बगल में से जो पगडंडी बनी हुई थी पहाड़ी पर, उससे वो गया मेड ग्लेशियर तक. एंड कैंप्ड इन द हाई मिडो. कैंप्ड उसने कैंप लगा लिया हाई मिडो पर, ऊंची पहाड़ी पर, बाय द साइड ऑफ वार्म लेक के बगल में. द नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग आई स्ट्रिप्ड. ही टुक ऑफ हिज क्लॉथ्स, डाइव्ड इनटू द लेक एंड स्वैम अक्रॉस टू द अदर शोर एंड बैक. सो वो दूसरे किनारे तक तैर के गया और वापस आ गया. जस्ट एज डॉग कोपरन यूज टू डू. डॉग कोपरन वॉज अ पर्सन हु यूज टू डू दिस. ही ऑल्सो यूज टू स्विम लाइक दैट. आई शाउटेड विद जॉय एंड गिलबर्ट पीक रिटर्न द एको. एको मीन्स गूंज. उसने खुशी से चिल्लाया और गिलबर्ट पीक्स पहाड़ी की एक चोटी है, वहाँ से मेरी आवाज़ टकरा करके वापस आई. आई हैड कॉन्कर्ड माई फियर ऑफ वाटर. इन दिस वे उसने अपने वाटर के लिए जो डर था उसके दिल में, उसको निकाल दिया. द एक्सपीरियंस हैड अ डीप मीनिंग फॉर मी. दिस एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ विनिंग ओवर द फियर ऑफ वाटर हैड अ डीप मीनिंग फॉर हिम, एज ओनली दोज हु हैव नॉन स्टॉक टेरर, घोर भय, एंड कॉन्कर्ड इट एंड हैव गोट विक्ट्री ओवर इट कैन अप्रिसिएट. वही इसकी प्रशंसा कर सकते हैं जिन्होंने मेरी तरह के किसी डर पर विजय हासिल की है, और वही इसको समझ सकते हैं. इन डेथ देर इज़ पीस. देर इज़ टेरर ओनली इन द फियर ऑफ डेथ. सो जब मौत हो जाती है तो शांति छा जाती है, लेकिन टेरर तब होता है जब मौत का डर हो. एज रूजवेल्ट न्यू व्हेन ही सेड. रूजवेल्ट वॉज द प्रेजिडेंट एंड ही वॉज अ वेरी फेमस फिलोसफर. ही सेड, वो जब ये बात कहा करता था तो उसका यही मतलब था. वट डिड ही से? ऑल वी हैव टू फेयर इज़ फेयर इट सेल्फ. सो दिस लाइन मीन्स हमें किसी चीज़ से नहीं डरना चाहिए. वी शुडंट बी स्केयर्ड ऑफ एनी थिंग, बिकॉज आई हैड एक्सपीरियंसड बोथ द सेंसेशन ऑफ डाइंग एंड द टेरर दैट फियर ऑफ इट कैन प्रोड्यूस. क्योंकि मैं वो सारी चीज़ें एक्सपीरियंस कर चुका था, मरने का डर और मरने की फीलिंग दोनों. तो जब मरने की फीलिंग आती है कि भाई कोई पर्सन मरने वाला है, तो उसकी जो फीलिंग होती है ना, वो वाली भी वो महसूस कर चुका था. एंड नाउ द विल टू लिव. द विल टू लिव मीन्स जीने की इच्छा. सम हाउ ग्रू इन इंटेंसिटी, बढ़ गई. जब ज़िंदगी की कीमत का पता चला तो इसको अच्छे से जीने की इच्छा बढ़ गई. एट लास्ट आई फेल्ट रिलीज्ड. Before that, he was captivated. He was not free to enjoy his life. Now he was released. He was feeling full of freedom. He could do anything. Free to walk the trails. Trails means पहाड़ों की पगडंडियाँ. And climb the peaks और चोटियों पर चढ़ना. And brush aside fear और डर को झाड़ करके गिरा देना. Means he was not scared of, he was scared of nothing. अब वो किसी चीज़ से नहीं डरता था. उसने अपने डर पर जीत हासिल कर ली थी. एंड यू नो हाउ, बिकॉज ही वॉज डिटरमिन टू गेट विक्ट्री ओवर हिज फियर. It was not only the fear of water, it was the fear of everything. If you are scared of anything in your life, you will be scared of all the things which are dangerous. So the writer has given us a very great message that we can conquer everything in our life if we are willing. If we have decided that we will do this, we can do this. And ways आर जनरली फाउंड. अगर हमारे मन में इच्छा है तो हम डेफिनेटली रास्ता ढूंढ लेंगे. तो आई थिंक आपको समझ में आ गया है कि चैप्टर में हमने क्या पढ़ा. और मुझे लगता है कि जो क्वेश्चंस आए हैं इन बिटवीन वो हमें डिस्कस कर लेने चाहिए. फॉर एग्जांपल here we have 3 questions. This is the first. What is the misadventure that William Douglas speaks about? Misadventure. He speaks about the misadventure that took place at the YMCA pool. He was 9 or 10 years old at that time, and he had gone there to learn to swim. He was learning to swim by imitating other boys, other children who were also swimming there using water wings. But at that time, when he was alone at the pool, a mischievous boy threw him into the pool, and he threw him at the deeper end side. So in that incident, he was nearly drowned. He could die if he had not been saved. So this is the misadventure which William Douglas is talking about. And after that misadventure, he avoided water whenever he could. He could not enjoy his life. इतना डर उसके मन में बैठ गया था. Next question is, what were the series of emotions and fears that Douglas experienced when he was thrown into the pool? What plans did he make to come to the surface? Series of emotions and fears. So when we read that description of William Douglas, we found that he has presented it in a very minute detail. He told us how he was feeling there. The water was dirty because now it had been captivating him, and his legs were paralyzed, his screams were also frozen. He wanted to call for his mother, he wanted to call for help, he wanted to grab the ropes, ladders. He was completely helpless. His emotions were that of helplessness, and he was scared of dying. So these were the emotions, and the plans that he made was, when he hit the bottom, he would make a big jump and come to the surface of water and lie flat and pedal to the edge of the pool. This was the plan that he made. Next question is, how did this experience affect him? This experience of drowning into the pool was completely crucial for him. We can say it completely changed his mentality. It filled him with hydrophobia. He could not enjoy his life. He started avoiding water. He could not go to picnics with his friends. He could not go for canoeing, boating. He could not go for fishing. All these water sports were very, very entertaining for other children, but he could not enjoy them, and it was because of his fear of water. So after this incident, he could not enjoy his life fully. Next questions. There are these three questions. Why was Douglas determined to get over his fear of water? उसने पक्का निश्चय क्यों किया अपने पानी के डर पर जीत हासिल करने का? He was determined to get over his fear of water because he wanted to enjoy his life. He saw that without getting victory over his fear, he would not be able to enjoy his life. He would not be able to play with his friends. He would not be able to go to picnics. He would not be able to go for fishing, boating, and canoeing. And to live his life with enjoyment, he had to get victory over his fear of water. So he was determined to do that. How did the instructor build a swimmer out of Douglas? Swimmer was an expert trainer. He knew how to make Douglas comfortable in water. He taught everything bit by bit, piece by piece. And when he had taught him everything, he built all these skills into an integrated whole. So Douglas का डर उसने ऐसे निकाला, and he used a rope which the one end of which was attached to the belt of Douglas, and the other end was held by the instructor, and it went through a pulley, overhead cable. तो वो रस्सी को पकड़ लेता, and this is how he made Douglas comfortable, so that he would not be scared when he went into water. How did Douglas make sure that he conquered the old terror? He made sure by testing his swimming skills at atrocious water sports. First, he tested himself at Lake Wentworth, and then he went to different dangerous sports and tested himself. He swam there alone. He dived from a very high peak, and this is how he tested himself. And when he found that he could swim alone for miles without any fear, he was sure that he had got victory over his fear of water. Not only swimming in the YMCA pool made him comfortable, he tested himself at atrocious, dangerous water sports, and this is how he made it sure that he had conquered his old terror of water, which started at California beach when he was 3 or 4 years old, and which was intensified when he was drowned in YMCA pool. But he got victory over his because of his determination of getting victory over his fear of water. I think these questions are clear to you, and now we will discuss these questions tomorrow. Till then, my dear students, take care. Bye.